we are again with our portable washing machine, and now we're trying out some shoes, like sneakers. Okay, but they are shoes. They're dancing shoes. I'll show you that. How the motor is so powerful, and it brings down the shoes down the bottom, and it turns to the right and to the left, stops, goes, and stops and goes. Okay, I think I had this down for like 10 minutes or so. And then I will drain the water, spin it out, and then just put them next to the water heater, and they'll dry in a couple of days. Or I can put them on the porch when it's done. And so this washing machine is just so excellent. I really love it, and I bought it on, where did I buy it? Oh, on Amazon. And it's just really great. I really like it. It's a fun toy. Well, really it's not a toy, because you don't want the children to play with it because of the strong motor, and it's electric. So let me get down here. Spin the water out. Or I can spin the water out now. Just put down the hose. And there's the water out. Okay. As you can hear the water going out into the tub. You want to put your washer in the bathroom if you can. Okay. I'll show you the shoes here. I guess the string got caught. Okay. Now, don't they look nice and clean? Look at that. Ooh. All right. Okay. Over and out.